You hear about stock every day, in banks, in conversations, even in supermarkets. Except that's not the right kind of stock we're thinking about. In this video, we're gonna find out what stock is and what it's all about. Hello! We are $5 Sisters! I am little sister.
I'm a big sister.
Alright, big sister, I've recently heard about stock. What is it? Are they like the beans at the store?
When it's doubt, let's Google it. Stock is a form of investment that is a portion of a business's ownership.
Oh, so a stock is just a tiny part of a business you've invested into.
That's right.
But under that logic, couldn't I just buy, say, Smart Mart with just one stock purchase?
One stock don't equals whole company. Sadly, you can only own a partial of company. Let's move on to shares.
What? Shares? I don't want to share anything.
No, shares. Shares are the partial of the businesses. Technically, if you own shares of the stock, you are owning the businesses.
Oh, that's a lot better than sharing. But I don't get it. Why do businesses even sell their shares in the first place? That seems like an easy way to get rid of their ownership, if you ask me.
Well, usually business has good reasons to sell their shares. Let's say I'm a yummy donut bakery owner, okay? And I have a one donut maker and I am doing really good. But I want to make more profit. How do I do that? I may need to investing more on another donut maker, but I don't have my money. I don't want to use my money. So what do? So let's say I create 100 shares for my company and I own still 90%, which is 90 share, and I will sell my 10 shares of my company stock to somebody else. Let's say each stock costs $1,000. Let's say each stock costs $1,000, and let's say the donut maker costs $2,000, right? So 10 shares, each shares, that's what? How much is it?
$10,000?
$10,000. So not only I can buy the new donut maker, maybe I can expand my store to XYZ town with the new donut maker. So my income or money can be double up or triple up. That's expansion, right? So when their business is expanded for a good reason, instead of using their own money, they can sell their ownership just a little bit. They still own the company, but sell the shares.
Wait. Did you hear that? I guess sharing isn't a bad thing after all because we need to share the stage for Bunny Time! Hello, my name is Pinky.
Hello, my name is Whitey. We are the bunnies. Click.
Whitey!
What?
I just bought some stocks from Sesame Bank. We now have ownership of 0.
Ownership of Sesame Bank? Whoa! I'm the owner of the Sesame Bank! Yay! On the bank! I'm a rich! I'm on a bank! I'm a rich! Woo! Yes. Thank you very much. Yes, I'm a little different because I'm richer than yesterday. Yes, I own the bank. Yes, I am the owner of a Sesame Bank. Ooh, I want that. I need my sunglasses. Can I have my sunglasses, please? Thank you very much. I look good. Let's see. Ooh, I want that matching shirts, please. I'm a fashionista. Ooh, that rock seems very precious. I want that precious rock, please. Yes, this precious rock looks wonderful. Ooh, what is that? You know what? I need a trophy. I need a trophy. Yes, you belong to me now. Yes, I have a star trophy. Is that a glowing ball? I need that now. It's just wonderful, just like me. Thank you very much. I'm a rich. I go home now. Do 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 do. Who is it?
Excuse me, Mr. Whitey, but we need interest of 30 carats for your recent payments today. Also, I am here with my assistant, Mr. Dino, to ensure there's no funny business.
I'm a dino. I'm the assistant of Sesame. I'm here to help him. But I'm the owner of Sesame Bank. You cannot do this to me.
Well, let's see here. I have the list of shares owned. Alright, here we go. Me, Jelly Bean, Dino, Milady, Smiley Pea, Pinky, and Whitey. 0.02% ownership of Sesame Bank. See, you need to pay us 30 carats now, please.
But I don't have a 30 carats right now. I spent all my money to buy these fancy stuff. I'm the boss of the Sesame Bank. You cannot do that to me. But if you don't have carrot today, I have no choice. Then head bump you like this. Cha! Don't be better before you know better.
Whoa. I hope Whitey did not end up on Mars like Sesame did, because I don't even know how Sesame got back here in the first place so quickly.
I don't know. Sesame went to the Mars, but anyway. So what did you do with your $5?
Well, I spent around 5 minutes, 50 minutes, 5 hours improving my coding skills on Scratch.
Coding? Scratch? Wow, sounds kind of hard.
It is hard, but once you learn, it's pretty easy. I'm nowhere near a professional yet, but I'm gonna get there someday.
Alright. Anyway, remember,
$5! Share the shares! Share the shares! Share the shares!
Dun 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 dun. On to SANDSTORMING! I'm owning the bank, bang, bang, bang. Bang, bada, bang, 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 bada, bang, bang, bang. Acha! Bang, bada, bang, 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 bada, bang, bang. My eyes hurt. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
If you are awesome, hit the like button.
Goodbye!